Meeting with your team here at Dike Law Group can be done in a snap. Now, the first part is you either booking an appointment online or calling into our office to book an appointment. Now, you have two options. You can book an appointment for a Zoom meeting or you can book an appointment for a in-person meeting. Now, if it's an in-person meeting, I will be meeting with you in person. I'm going to shake your hand. If I know early enough, I might buy you some donuts, really just depends. But if it's a Zoom meeting, similarly, you'll be meeting with myself or someone on our team to see if we can solve your problem. Now, before we determine if you're going to get the Zoom meeting, there are going to be a series of questions that our intake person will probably ask you. Really, they're trying to figure out if do you have the type of problem that we solve? Second, and much like when you go to the doctor, your doctor's office will ask, hey, what type of insurance do you have? Do you have United? Do you have Blue Cross? Are you going to be a self-pay person? We'll ask you something very similar. We'll ask you what your legal budget is. Now, don't be alarmed at this question. It really is a question to really see, is this something that you have the ability to solve? There are many problems out there and many that we can solve. But if you don't have the ability to actually solve the problem, then we might not be able to help you. Don't be offended by that. But we're really just trying to see if we can help you, we'd like to help you. Listen up. You've got legal issues related to your healthcare business, and we have solutions for you. Let's talk about what you're going through. Grab a time in our calendar at dorismeet.com and let's come up with a strategy together to help you get to success. Now, next step, you'll meet with your client advisor. Now, that person is going to dig a little deeper into where you are in the process, where you're trying to be, and how we can provide a solution that gets you there. And you will be having an engaged conversation with this person or myself. So make sure you have your Zoom camera on. Take the meeting like we're meeting in person. So we want to make sure that we vibe and connect together to see if we can help you. Again, you're trying to determine if we're the type of firm that you like to work with. And we're trying to determine the same thing because we want to give a ton of our time to you to solve your problems. Next, you'll meet with our paralegal. And our paralegal, after you sign and become a client, she will go through the intake process. Now, that process will really be preparing all the personal information that we'll need to get started on your matter. So that process won't take too long, but it's important and critical that you put the information in properly. And then you and I will get real close and comfortable working to solve your problem. So it is a four-step process here to help you get your results quickly and efficiently. Each step is very critical to lead you to success. We want to be able to serve at least 1 million providers to reach their professional dreams. But in order to do that, we've got to follow the steps to get you there. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.